It's being called the Earthquake and Tsunami Roadshow, and today it's playing out in Pacific County, which for decades has been preparing for one of the worst-case scenarios expected to hit Washington. King 5's Glenn Farley is there.
The hazard lives offshore, a giant fault called the Cascadia Subduction Zone, capable of a magnitude 9 earthquake, enough to generate a large tsunami.
If I could get you to sign in here on the sheet.
In the city of Ilwaco at the community center, the people who live here are looking to learn more about their risks and what to do.
We've lived here a little over a year.
Nick and Megan Michaud moved here from Renton.
We actually built a home right on the beach, as close as you can get. We thought maybe we should learn a lot about the community and figure out what we might need to do.
I'm in the inundation zone. Anywhere on the flat part of the beach is the inundation zone.
Dave Glasson lives on the Long Beach Peninsula, and when the quake hits,
start huffing it. I got about a mile and a half to get to high ground.
And it's the well-documented Japanese tsunami from March of 2011 that everyone thinks of, and it had an impact here. The threat of that quake-triggered tsunami racing across the Pacific to Washington state. It caused evacuations here in Pacific County. Sheriff Scott Johnson remembers.
It's just crazy. I mean, we're short-staffed as it is, so you can only imagine that we had to pull everyone that we could to help out.
Today I'd like to talk about earthquake and tsunami.
This is a survivable event if you are prepared.
Scott McDougall is the county's Deputy Emergency Management Director. Ilwaco has been recognized as a tsunami-ready community for years, but disaster preparation doesn't sit still. Know your evacuation routes, have a kit of survival gear ready, have a plan. Maximilian Dixon is the state's earthquake program manager.
Being prepared doesn't mean you do it once and you're done. You have to, like, every 6 months, when you move your clock forward and backward, you want to check your food and your water and make sure your supplies are good.
The last big quake and tsunami here happened 317 years ago. What we don't know is how much time we have to get ready for the next one. In Pacific County, Glenn Farley,